Welcome. In third video of this tutorial, in first video you know about the basic, and in second video you know how to make a plus, and using right hand formula you can solve the first layer. So the good news is that you need only these two formulas to solve the second layer. First I'm gonna scramble the cube. Let's solve the first layer very quickly. After making plus, we find the right piece with right color at the right place and apply the right hand formula. We have to apply the right hand formula until the piece gets fixed. Right hand formula are U, R dash, U dash. Okay. We already understand everything about first layer in the second video of this tutorial. So yeah, it is very easy to solve the first layer. So it's set. Now the last piece is here. Just right hand formula and it's gonna be setted. Done. Now the first layer is completely solved. Now let's talk about the second layer. To solve the second layer, you only need to follow two formulas which are made by left and right hand formulas. To solve the second layer, we have to find the piece with two colors just like this. Blue and orange. For right now, we're gonna forget about the corner piece which are with yellow color. This is a piece with orange and blue color. Look, I have very simple story for you to solve the second layer and two formulas. You can go through in which you are comfortable. Let's see. Now this is a piece. Orange color is upside, right? This piece should be right here. Okay. So story is that first we match blue color. Then we take the orange one step away from orange center. Okay. This is how. Then which hand we use? We're gonna apply that hand formula only one time, then turn that hand face to my face and then apply other hand formula one time. That's it. So this is the story how it's gonna work. Now our orange and blue color piece set. Now let's see through the formula. So this is the formula which is made by left and right hand formula. Steps are U, right hand one time, then change the face and apply the left hand one time. That's it. Let's understand with the cube. So we have to find the two color pieces. So here it is a piece with red and blue color. Okay. We have to move the piece right side, right here according to the arrow in the formula. This piece should be right here. Okay. So here it is a formula. First we have to do U. Then right hand formula one time. That's it. And now which hand we use? Turn that face to your face, then apply other hand formula left hand one time, and the piece set. You see how formula works? Let's see one more time. Okay, so according to the formula we have to find two color piece. So here it is piece with red and blue color. First we match the blue and then see the color where it had to go. According to formula U, then right hand formula one time, turn the face to your face and then apply left hand formula, and the piece gonna be automatic set. You see, that's so easy. This formula gonna work when the piece of here going to be here, your right side. Okay, when the piece from here to going here, we have to see another formula, just little difference. Okay, so here is the formula. Just see the arrow in our formula. That means the piece where have to go, right side or left side. In this formula you have to do U dash first and then left hand formula one time. After changing the face, you have to apply one time right hand formula. That's it. You see, there is not that much difference. You can learn this formula really easily. Now let's see second formula example in our cube. So find the right piece which have to go left side. So here I found a piece with green and red color. This piece going to be here. So apply the second formula. Just do U dash. Then left hand side one time, then turn that face to yourself and apply right hand side formula one time. That's it. Piece set now. So this is how our second formulas work. I see one more example, orange and green, and same formula we have to apply the second one. Just do u dash, left hand side one time formula, and then turn the face and apply right hand one time. It's super easy. If you get practice on second layer, you will find that second layer is easy more than first layer. By using only these two formulas, you can solve the second layer. Just note these formulas, and if you understand, you can skip the video because I'm gonna repeat the process again one more time, and that can help you in a good way. So let's scramble the cube first. I use right hand side formula to scramble the cube because it's easy and fast. When you give this cube to someone who don't know anything about cube to scramble, then he gonna take so much time, really so much time on knowing. Right now I'm solving my first layer, and the steps, super easy. Just put that piece on the right place and apply the right hand side formula, and it's gonna set. The piece could be in upper layer or bottom layer. You just have to apply R, U, R dash and U dash. Last piece of the first layer, and it's set. Now done. Now let's see the second layer. This is the piece with two color. Blue got matched. Now orange going to left side. So we're gonna apply the second formula, this one. Okay, so u dash, left hand formula, turn the face, and then right hand formula. You see, so simple. So here another piece, it also going to left side. Then we're gonna apply the second formula again, u dash, left hand one time, change the face, and then right hand, R, U, R dash, U dash. It's set. My second layer is also complete. You see, it's so much simple. So now you know how to apply these formulas, and if you understand these all the steps further, you're gonna be really good in this. I hope now you understand this all the methods I teach you, and if you know how to apply these formulas in third layer, you're gonna be super smart. Okay, so as you know, these two formulas help us to solve our second layer. So I wanna tell you that these two formulas also gonna help you in third layer. Third layer is little bit complicated in the comparison of other layer, so don't need to be worried. You can solve that easily too, because you are a smart person. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If there is a problem to solve first layer or second layer, you can ask me through the comment. I will reply, and that's it for this video. Meet you in next video to solve the third layer. Okay, so have a great day and see you in my next video. Bye bye.